I'll take that diamond now.
Take it. You've earned it.
This isn't a diamond.
No, it's lapis. Of all the dirty, underhanded tricks to pull. I can't believe that guy got one over on me.
Let's go after him.
I'm either getting that diamond, or I'm getting my skull back.
Or you'll make him pay, right? Right?
Come on. Do you see him anywhere?
We lost him.
Then we'll just have to find him again. Go.
Сәлем достар. Сіздермен бірге Cast Games каналы. Енді көріп отырғаныңыздай сіздерге сюжет алдын ала. Енді осы жерден жалғастырамыз. Алдыңғы видеоларымызды көрсеңіздер, біз суға құлағанбыз. Енді сол жерден ары қаратай жалғастырамыз. Кеттік. Біз жаңағы орыны табу қажетпіз, сондықтан кеттік алға.
There he is! Gabriel! Gabriel!
Step aside,
I have just one question.
Hold all your questions until after the keynote.
But the keynote's sold out!
Hold all your questions anyway.
Лукасқа барайық. Лукастан сұрақ бірейік, ол мүмкін жаңағы орыны көрген шығар.
Sup?
Sup?
Nothing? Sup with you?
Nothing. Sup with you?
I just said nothing.
Hey, congrats on the win. I mean, I still think our beacon was amazing, but you guys did a pretty good job too. I mean, I thought the whole monster theme was plenty cool, but fireworks too? It was sorta cool.
Your beacon wasn't too shabby.
You don't have to do that, okay? You guys won fair and square.
Hey, you didn't happen to see a creepy guy with long hair and a beard roaming around, did you?
I don't think so. Why?
He kind of scammed Petra out of a diamond earlier.
Oh, everyone knows you don't mess with Petra. Not if you know what's good for you. I'll keep an eye out, okay?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So, we're cool?
Yeah, we're cool.
Cool.
Too cool for school.
Coolness.
See you later, Lucas.
Yeah, see ya.
Қобалжып жатыр ол да. Істестерейік. Акселден сұрайық.
Thought you could just wiggle right out of that trap, didn't you? Well, wiggle as much as you want. You're not going anywhere.
Axel, listen up. Any chance you've seen a creepy-looking, beardy guy anywhere?
No. Petra told me what happened. I'm keeping an eye out for him. Okay, so I got a little distracted. It's just this machine presses all my buttons. Unnecessarily complicated and mean to birds for no reason. It's just, when something like this calls, you gotta answer. But I swear, as soon as the demonstration is over...
Stop messing around, we need your help.
I was looking, I swear. I've just got a short attention span.
Have you seen Ruben? I was hoping he might have made it to town while I was distracted.
Haven't seen hide nor hair. But I'm sure he's fine. He's a tough little ham.
Axel?
All right, I'll look. After I watch one more chicken video.
Ha, I see you now, weirdo.
Біз ойын тапқан секілдіміз.
Wow, if it isn't Team Trash Bag. How's your stupid pig? I hear intense heat causes brain damage.
Kinda busy right now, man.
What, busy trying to get a life? Busy trying to find some friends? Hey!
Жоғалтып алдық. Өкінішті... Шошқадан ба? Басы шошқадан.
Hey, what do you think you're...
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get away from me!
I said I was sorry. Ruben? Is that you?
Get your pork chops here, fresh off the bone.
Біздің Рубенімізді сойтып
Nothing sticks to your ribs quite like a juicy pork chop.
Ruben!
What's the big idea? I'm trying to run a business here.
That's my pig!
Oh, really? Well, I found him out in the woods, so I think that makes him my pig. Not the fattest pig I've ever seen. Well, he should cook up real nice anyway.
Give him to me now.
You wouldn't be threatening me, would you?
What if I am?
I'm not interested in arguing with you. I might be amenable to some kind of trade. Not that you look like you got much of value. I gotta get some kind of return on my investment.
Well, all I've got is this sword.
Ooh, that's very nice. With this, I could cut my butchering time in half.
Иә, қылыш қайырбақ сонда тура кеп тұр.
Nice doing business with you.
Come on, Ruben.
Өте өкінішті.
I'm sorry, Ruben. I never should have let you run off in the woods.
Иә, біздің досымыз бізге ренжіп қалған сияқты. Кеттік, жүгіреміз. Рубен, кеттік. Рубен. Бізден алыстама.
Remember that thing I had to go do with Petra? Long story short, we met up with this guy, he cheated me and Petra on a deal, and now we're trying to track him down. You in?
Oh, I'm in, all right. Any sign of him?
I thought I saw him earlier, but it was just a false alarm. Wait, there he is! Looks like he's heading towards the hall.
We're gonna have to get past that usher to follow him.
Let's go! So, yeah, hey.
What would it take to get us inside tonight?
Tickets? That was a good one. You should laugh.
Get out of our way. We need to get inside.
I need you to show your tickets, or else I gotta stop you right here. Chicken! 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 Totally fine. You're a totally cool dude.
We have to do something.
Like what? The show has been sold out for ages.
I could bust right through. I just need a little wind-up room.
We need a distraction.
A lot of chickens running around might be a distraction.
Shoot! Shoot! Get out of here!
Usher is afraid of chickens. What would you say if I told you I want to break this guy's chicken machine to create the mother of all distractions?
But you have to break that pane of glass. How are you going to reach it? Let's look around. There has to be something we can do.
I need to reach that window, but the fence is in the way. And I don't think I can mess up the fence if he's around.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry, just your regular, everyday chicken enthusiast here.
Don't make me call security.
Iya, mau main chicken way. Akhirnya nggak nawar. Filternya ini.
I bet I could reach that glass with a slime block. Oh, hey, we meet again. One slime block, please.
We don't give out slime blocks here, just slime balls. We've got a limited supply today, and we're only giving out 2 per customer. You could craft your own slime block if you had 9 slime balls.
I'm really sorry about earlier. I honestly thought you were someone else.
Apology accepted.
A round of slime balls for everyone, please.
Wait, this is only 8 slime balls. We need 1 more to make a block.
Okay, we need to find another way to get some more slime, and quick.
On it.
айдап болады екен. Біздің немізге барайық, Рубенге. Мені ұстап тұрған Лукастан сұрап.
Ruben, I need your guidance. What would you do in a situation like this? I hear you, brother.
Братишка.
Hey, Lucas, can you do me a favor?
Anything's possible.
I need slime balls. I swear I have a really good explanation.
Whatever you guys are doing, count me in.
Thanks, Lucas. Told you he was useful.
Oh man, this guy isn't actually cool, is he?
Remains to be seen.
It's crafting time.
So, you guys been building together long? You've got good chemistry.
Are you jealous?
I'm just saying, I think it's cool you have a team that works so well together.
You're totally jealous. How's it going, Jesse? You know how to do this. Slime in every slot, and every slot a slime.
Ұнаса лайк басыңыздар, комментарий жасыңыздар.
Тіркеліңіздер, достарыңызға айтыңыздар.
Келесі кездескенше
сау болыңыздар.